Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to solve this system of equations x square plus xy plus x is equal to 10 and y square plus xy plus y is equal to 20. Let's call it as equation number 1 and it as equation number 2. From equation 1, we can write x square plus xy plus x is equal to 10, or taking common x from left side, we can write x times x plus y plus 1 is equal to 10. Call it as equation number 3. And from equation 2 we can write y square plus xy plus y is equal to 20, or taking common y from left side we can write y times y plus x plus 1 is equal to 20, or rearranging left side we can write y times x plus y plus 1 is equal to 20. Call it as equation number 4. Now if we divided equation 3 by equation 4, we can write from equation 3 x times x plus y plus 1 over from equation 4 y times x plus y plus 1 is equal to the value of x times x plus y plus 1 is equal to 10, and the value of y times x plus y plus 1 is 20, or this x plus y plus 1 will cancel out, so it will remain x over y is equal to, and simplifying 10 over 20 we can write 1 over 2. Now applying cross multiplication we can write y times 1 is y is equal to 2 times x is twice x. Call it as equation number 5. Now from equation 1 we have x square plus xy plus x is equal to 10, or substituting the value of y is equal to twice x from equation 5, we can write x square plus x times the value of y is equal to twice x, so we can write twice x plus x is equal to 10, or x square plus x times twice x is twice x square plus x is equal to 10, or x square plus twice x square is 3x square plus x, and taking this 10 to left side we can write negative 10 is equal to 0, or 3x square, and 3 times 10 is 30, and 30 can be written as 6 times 5, and 6 minus 5 is 1, so this x can be written as 6x minus 5x, so this will be x minus 10 is equal to 0, or taking common 3x from first two terms we can write 3x times x plus 2 and taking common negative 5 from last two terms, we can write negative 5 of x plus 2 is equal to 0. So taking common x plus 2, we can write x plus 2 times 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. So we can write x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. So from here, taking this 2 to right side, we can write x is equal to negative 2. And from here, taking this 5 to right side, we can write 3x is equal to 5. Divided both side by 3, we will have x is equal to 5 over 3. So when x is equal to negative 2, from equation 5, y is equal to twice x, or substituting the value of x is equal to negative 2, we can write y is equal to 2 times negative 2. So the value of y is equal to 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. And when x is equal to 5 over 3, then from equation 5, y is equal to twice x, or y is equal to 2 times, substituting the value of x is equal to 5 over 3, we can write 5 over 3. So the value of y is equal to 2 times 5 is 10, so 10 over 3. So we got the value of x and y is equal to, when x is equal to negative 2, then y is equal to negative 4, and when x is equal to 5 over 3, then y is equal to 10 over 3. So these are the two solutions of these equations. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.